Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix a DU SIM card not working issue in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to swipe down your notification bar. Over here, you will see the airplane mode. You just have to tap on it first, then wait for 30 seconds. After that, you just have to tap on it again in order to turn it off. So this step alone is going to force your stop to reconnect to the DU network. If the signal comes back, the issue was temporary. In the second method, what you can do is you can just simply restart your phone by pressing the power button. So a simple restart also refresh the network settings and often fixes the SIM related glitches. Now if this method doesn't work, you can also just try to power off your phone. Remove the SIM card, clean it gently and reinsert it properly. Just make sure that it is placed correctly in the SIM tray. If possible, you can also test the SIM in another phone to confirm whether the issue is with the SIM or the device. So here you can just simply follow these steps and see if your SIM is working properly or not. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.